Alright, Deer Season XPs. I believe these are Winchester 6.8 SPCs. We're at 200 yards. We're just going to see what the drop is through a 16-inch barrel out yonder ways. 200 yards. Definitely got a flyer. I can see that. But as far as the drop, doesn't look like we're dropping anything, but we're also sitting up high. So we're going to take that into consideration as well. Alright, here we go. We're at the 100-yard mark, 100-ish. I'm trying to use the trailers to block some of the wind. This is a Deer Season XP 6.8 SPC. All right, here we go. Yeah, that wind, that tells you how much the wind is carrying them bullets over right there from 100 yards out there. That's how bad the wind's blowing, but let's go take a look. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that wind, that tells you how much the wind is carrying them bullets over right there from 100 yards out there. That's how bad the wind's blowing. Let's go take a look. Alright folks, you notice we've almost got the same kind of flyer in both. We got here, flyer down. I don't know. Maybe that's just normal. But we got a elevation difference. This is at 200 yards. We're actually shooting a little low. I was aiming here, shooting a little low. We come up to the 100 and we're pretty much on. So I mean that's probably about 1.5 inches difference from 100 to 200 yards. I mean, on the shoulder shot on a deer, are you gonna have to worry about the elevation from 100 to 200? No. I wouldn't worry about a shoulder shot at all. Actually, I mean, this as a neck shot, I probably wouldn't worry about a neck shot either. But again, if the wind didn't catch those bullets and take them over, remember, I mean, you see how this is shooting about 2 inches. I mean, you take that one out, it's shooting about 2 inches over to the right. How much further going out to 100 yards that opened up right there? I mean, that's about 6 inches that it took it over. Now that right there can mess your day up big time, especially on the neck shot. That's a miss on a neck shot, because if you're shooting right here, I mean, that neck is gonna go right there. You're just gonna graze it, whatever. You're never gonna find the deer. So that is something else to pay attention to when you're zeroing these in. You know, I mean, yeah, good enough is good enough. Don't ever let good enough get in the way of perfection, but always understand your angles. This is where they talk about math, you know, coming into play in life and stuff, angles and things like that, and where it affects life. So there you go. And there you are, about 1.5 inches difference in elevation. That's what I would say, from 100 to 200. That's through a 16-inch barrel, and the difference on the zero from the scope to the bottom. Right there, from the middle of the scope to the middle of the barrel. Thanks for watching.